Assalamu alaikum, guys. Today I will share with you all recipe of dragon chicken. Dragon chicken that anyone will fall in love? Crispy chicken tossed in a slightly spicy, hot, and umami dragon sauce is the perfect recipe. So let's start. Cut chicken in cubes and marinate it with ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of spice blend, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Keep it aside to marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. Slice 1 onion, 1 tomato, and 1 capsicum. Now add 1 egg in marinated chicken. Also add 1 bowl of corn flour. Then add olive oil on top of marinated chicken. Now fry first capsicum. When capsicum turns golden brown, add onions and fry it until it turns pink. Now add tomatoes. Fry all for a few minutes. Now take 3 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of ketchup and add little water in it to make it sauce. Now in fried veggies, add the marinated chicken, mix it well and fry it for about 15 to 20 minutes until the chicken turns into golden brown. Now add the sauce. Add some water in it. Cook it for about 8 to 10 minutes on low sim. Now cut few green chilies and add it in the chicken. Cook it for another 2 minutes. Dragon chicken is a fancy restaurant appetizer from the Indian Chinese cuisine. It's slightly hot, tangy, and everyone loves it. Though the dish looks hot, fiery, and red, it won't make you run like a fire-breathing dragon since it doesn't stingy with a lot of heat. So coming back to the recipe, you can add chili flakes on top and even some cashew nuts on top if you like it that way. So guys, delicious dragon chicken is ready to get served. So guys, if you like my recipe and want to watch more such videos, then do press the bell icon. This recipe makes a much better dish than what you get in restaurants. Delicious dragon chicken is ready to get served. I hope you all liked it, and will surely try out this tempting mouth-watering recipe. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next blog until then. Assalamu alaikum.